What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's lesson we're drawing Homelander from The Boys. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, bring this down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's go to the top inside of each eye and add a fold for the brow, coming in and up. And then from the top of the eyes, we're going to curve the brow, going out towards the side. Let's add some thickness to the brow. It's going to go up. Just pull that in towards the inside of that fold. Now we move to the center. Start on the left side, add a curve, coming down and up the nose. Let's move up and add a short curve going across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw a curve going up and down for the mouth. On the ends, add a small bracket. Step down in the center, draw a short line for the lower lip. Now move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, step out, curve this down, go across underneath the mouth, and then back up on the right side. Now let's go back to the left. We're going to go up around the eyebrow and then bend that in. And then we'll just work our way along the inside of the hairline. Starting on the left, bend this out and then back in. And then from here, bend this in and then down towards the center. Let's go to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Starting on the left side, going up, come around, and then back in. And we'll line that up on the right. On the top of the ears, we're going to add a fold, going up and then out. Go back to the inside, we're going to add a hook, going out and then in. Now from the top of the ears, it's going to curve the head, going out and then up. Go back to the left side, let's close off the top of the head. We're going to go up across the middle and then bring that down on the right side. Let's add some texture across the bottom edge of the hair. Starting in the center, I'm going to bend this out and up towards the right. Step over, draw another one. Go to the left side, bend this out and up, and then we'll add one more. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Starting over on the left, I'm going to leave a gap underneath the head, bend this out and then down towards the hip. Go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. I'm going to step up, draw another curve for the top of the belt. Let's go to the center of the belt, draw a circle. And then from the side of the circle, bend this out and then up. Now I'm going to add that flap going across the chest. Starting from the top of the body on the right, angle this down and across, and bring that straight down towards the belt. Go back up to the top, we're going to add that fold, coming around and down, bend this up and then out. Let's go back to the center. Step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and bending that up towards the toe. Go back to the left side, we're going to curve the foot, going up. We'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel. Want to leave a gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. We're going to step up, just trace that curve going across. Now we're going to move up above the feet and draw the edge of the boot. Starting on the left, angle this up and in. Curve this down and then in. Let's trace that along the bottom. Going up and then bring that in. Let's move back up to the top and draw that arm across the shoulders. We're going to start underneath the head on the left. Start by bending this down and then out. And then line that up on the right side. From here, go straight up. And it'll come in toward the side of the head. Let's add the beak. From this top corner, I'm going to step down, then it's out and then down. Then it's up and then in towards the side. Let's add some detail inside. From the top corner, I'm going to bend this down and then in. Step down and add another curve. Let's add another layer underneath. From the top, we're going to step down, angle this down and in. And I'm just going to taper this out towards the side, towards the bottom. And then in the center, draw a straight angled line. Now I want to go halfway between the chin and the bottom of the hip, right about here, draw the arm, going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now on either side, we're going to draw 3 fingers wrapped into a fist, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Go over towards the side, add the second finger, going out and up. The third finger, we're going to go out, bend this up, and then in underneath that shoulder. Let's do the same thing on the right. Halfway along the inside of the arm, let's add the edge of the glove, and go up and then out. And now with the body in place, let's layer the cape in behind. We'll start underneath that center finger, then the cape coming down and out on either side. Let's connect the ends with a curve going in behind the legs. So we'll start with the left, coming in, curve in between, and then up on the right. Now I want to separate the cape with some thick strips. Let's start from the hip, bend this down and out, add one in the center, and then one more over on the right. And we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Homelander from The Boys. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.